Guiding instructions for writing rules and regulations. First, study the question thoroughly and think about what you are allowed to do and not allowed to do at the given place. Write complete sentences that express rules and regulations. Use concrete words and terms, not abstract ones. Place negative words near the beginning of the sentences to tell the reader that something is about to be prohibited or excluded. When writing action sentences that indicate what people should not, and may do, be short and direct, even blunt. Place action sentences first, before any explanations, lists, or details.
Use the following patterns while expressing rules and regulations. Ism are allowed to plus V1. Ism are not allowed to plus V1. Mustn't plus V1. Shouldn't ought not to plus V1. Ism are plus strictly forbidden prohibited plus to plus V1. Gerund, V4, plus is are plus V3. Is are plus discouraged encouraged expected suggested plus to plus V1.
Example of rules and regulations.
Task for further practice.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.